With medical costs skyrocketing, there's a growing interest in alternative healing modalities.
Chiropractic is one of these options, and Dr. Praveena Maharaj is a rising star in this field.
Most people think that only private patients can access the best healthcare practitioners. But this is certainly not the case for community members at the Narayan Jeevan Vedic Center in Sea-Cow Lake.
At some point, we've all had some aches or pains in our muscles, joints, bones, or nervous system. And the perfect person to see in this case is a chiropractor. Well, we're about to meet with a chiropractor who's extremely passionate about her profession, Praveena Maharaj. And she's been working tirelessly to create greater awareness about the benefits of the chiropractic profession.
Although still in her 20s, Dr. Praveena Maharaj is already the director of the Reservoir Hills Chiropractic Clinic. And she also serves as a voluntary clinician at the center. Here she not only guides the interns but also attends to the community directly.
For Praveena, nurturing and developing young students and giving back to the community is of the utmost importance. And she spends time every month here at the Narayan Jeevan Vedic Center doing just that.
You know, as chiropractors, because of our non-invasive approach to healthcare, we use techniques like dry needling and, a bit of massage therapy just to relax you and make you feel a little bit less tense. But the spinal manipulation is most important. So thank you very much for your support. We appreciate it, and we hope that you will have more of your friends and families attending as well, and that we can add to our work here at Narayan Jeevan Vedic Center. Thank you.
Praveena, it's an absolute pleasure to meet you, and thank you so much for agreeing to chat with us today.
Thank you.
Now, you're obviously very passionate about your profession. Is it something you always wanted to do, and what motivated that decision to be a chiropractor?
To be honest with you, I always had an affinity for the fields of health sciences, and being a people's person myself, I enjoy working with and helping people. I researched this profession of chiropractic and found that what attracted me the most was its non-invasive approach to our daily aches and pains.
So what is the essential difference between medicine and the chiropractic profession?
Well, chiropractic is a growing complementary healthcare profession. Its approach is such that in our first 3 years of training, we have a grounding within the medical subjects. It's considered our pre-medical first 3-4 years. And then we go more into the specialization of chiropractic techniques and so on.
Tell us more about some of your qualifications and achievements.
I have been humbled in being recognized by the Chiropractic Association of South Africa, of which I now sit as the youngest and only non-white on the Executive Council.
So you've also, I know, qualified with your master's degree.
It's quite a challenging course, I must add. In our final year, we have to juggle between the different components of the course, which is the research component, the academic, the practical, and then the community service components. And I managed to qualify within a 5.5-year period, whereas the course normally takes 7 years.
Talking about sacrifice, I mean, this is amazing. So you've done what would have taken 7.5 years, you've done it in 5.5 years. That is incredible. Did you have a life at all?
I had no social life, and with much hard work and lots of cups of coffee, I made it through.
So just use this hand, place it over on the other side of your ear.
Good. Smile, smile. Good. But there's no need for you to use 2 pillows to support the neck. You just need one good pillow. It needs to support the neck specifically with the pillow, right?
What inspires and motivates you?
There's a particular word that is embedded and resonates within these deep recesses of my brain. And I quote a very wise woman named Britney Spears, who says, if you want a Lamborghini, you gotta work.
Do you have that Lamborghini yet?
Not yet. But you see, I'm working.
I like that. I'm coming to see you when you have it, and we're going for a ride together.
Definitely.
Discipline, dedication, and hard work are words that are synonymous with Praveena Maharaj. Not only does she live and breathe her profession, but she also finds an inner fulfillment from giving back to the community. Something that we can all learn from.